All right, guys, here's another one. Let's see if we can get this one. This is, I think it's Jada. Johnny Lightning. It is the Vampire Van. Cool. Johnny Lightning. Very nice. Real rubber tires, engine coming out. Fantastic detail in this thing. Look at the curtains and everything. That is awesome. Even on the other side, I don't think anything opens. Coming around here, look at that. That's awesome. The curtains, the step side, everything's steel. Just beautiful. Wow. It's really, really nice. Yeah. Johnny Lightning, Vampire Van. Good hobby shop find.